in 2003, when the first ceremonial trip up to Nihoa on the Hokulea, it was like 1 day or 2 days before that the Kui Kopono March happened. And as a Hawaiian Studies student, up until that time, throughout the 90s, it was kind of all the same people at protests. Yeah, you'd go to a protest, you see the same people all the time. And so you always felt that it was kind of like a small resistance movement that was happening. And in fact, the motto was that, right? Kue, like the shirt right there, Kue, yeah? That was our motto, to resist. But it was for the first time that I felt like it had gone bigger. When I showed up to the Kui Kopono March in Waikiki, there was just a sea of red. And I remember telling my friends, this is like totally different than any experience I've ever had, because I feel like we have power now, yeah? And so we went to that amazing event, participated in the march, and I could see that the lahui was growing and it was gaining power, right? And then like days later, I'm jumping on the Hokulea and we're gonna go do ceremonies at Nihoa. And I'm just like, this is such a mind trip for me to be on Hokulea like this, to be in this traditional manner. We're gonna go do chants and prayers and ceremonies on the island in a place where our ancestors reside, calling them for help. And while we're gaining political power, I just saw those two events as like almost one event. But I had the luxury of being involved in both, so I could make the connection. Yeah. But to me, that was when I was like, I'm feeling some mana here, but definitely this is like mana for the lahui, yeah, which is a bigger thing that we're trying to achieve collectively.
Tap into your mana by downloading a free copy of Mana La Hui Kanaka at oha.org/mana.